Hello, friends. This is Miss Rainey, your virtual teacher's assistant, and I'm about to go over the Day 17 lesson plan for the topic Clean Up. First, I will talk about warm-up and story time, then letters and sounds, then the brain break, then math and science, then art, and finally the conclusion. Let's get into it. For warm-up and story time, we're going to continue the theme Clean Up. The goals are to encourage consistent cleaning habits and make cleaning more enjoyable to the children. For the warm-up, we're going to do a roll your chore. We're going to get a cube, and you can make that cube out of a cardboard box. And you're going to place images of chores on each of the faces of the cube. Then you're going to have the child roll the cube and then complete the tasks that are on it. It's up to you if you can come up with a reward system for every task that is completed. For story time, I'm going to read the story Clean Up Time by Elizabeth Verdant. For our letters and sounds, we'll be talking about lowercase c. We're going to review what starts with C. We're going to learn how to write C, and then we're going to do a connect the dot cookie, and cookie starts with C. For our brain break, My Art House Studios will present balance. If you want to know what a typical class would be like for your child, you can watch this brain break. And when you are finished, you can go over and register for the summer classes, which start May 12th. But registration is open now, so you can register now for classes that start in May. So you're going to go to www.myarthousestudio.com/classes to register for a summer class. This is what the summer schedule looks like. So it starts May 12th and it goes to June 19th. For Wednesdays, you have a pop-up dance party. That's for ages 7 to 12. That goes from 5:30 p.m. to 6:15 p.m. On Fridays, you have kindergarten boogie for ages 3 to 6, and that goes from 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. On Saturdays, you have tiptoes and turns. That's for ages 3 to 6, and that goes from 9:30 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. Followed by story time for ages 3 to 6. That goes from 10:30 a.m. to 11:10 a.m. Then finally, we have take the stage that goes for ages 5 to 8, and that's from 11:30 a.m. to 12:15 p.m. For math and science, our goals are to sharpen knowledge on shapes, learn more about the number 4, learn how to arrange things, and learn some cleaning tricks. So for math, we're going to do shapes part 2. We're going to show number 4 in different ways, and we're going to learn to arrange things from largest to smallest. For science, we're going to see what lemons will clean. So we're going to take lemons and try to get rid of food particles on pots, plates, utensils, whatever thing we can find. For our art, we're going to do a spray bottle silhouette. So you're going to find a picture that your child really likes. You're going to cut it out, put it on paper. We're going to put some paint in a spray bottle, and then we're going to make a cute silhouette out of it. For our daily exit sheet, that's a summary of everything that was discussed in day 17. So it'll be a worksheet that contains different parts of what we did during the day. And that would be the end of the lesson. So if you have any comments, questions, or collaboration requests, please send that to rps926@gmail.com. And that is the end of the lesson plan for day 17. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.